Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Akin Oladeju, founder and CEO of Learnwithpride Ltd. This is for someone watching me out there this afternoon and you're filled with doubt regarding your transitioning journey. I have this word of wisdom for you. Always embrace the challenge, for within every obstacle lies an opportunity to learn, grow, and thrive. Keep your eyes on the future you're creating in the world of tech and let each step forward be fueled by your passion and determination. Remember, every new concept mastered brings you closer to your goals. Stay persistent, stay curious, and believe in your ability to shape your future in tech. The journey may be challenging, but the rewards of innovation and impact await those who dare to chase their dreams. I hope I've managed to change someone's heart out there this afternoon. If so, please like, comment, and share this video. Thanks.